Hydrant, monitoring and securing hydrants. Hydrants are an integral part of the municipal water system. Introduction of toxic substances through hydrants could potentially poison a municipality's drinking water. At present, it is difficult to assess just how much water is lost and wasted, whether by theft of water from hydrants or during their use by firefighters. When fire breaks out, firefighters and rescue services have difficulty reaching the scene. Then, once at the scene of a blaze, the firemen must search for the nearest hydrant. Hydrant's proposed solution is an electronic smart bracelet that is easily installed on existing hydrants. Operated by means of an app, the bracelet sends the location and serial number of the hydrant to central management software. This electronic system is capable of identifying the direction of water flow, making real-time estimates of water consumption, identifying damage, vandalism, or attempts to dismantle the hydrant, warning of a low battery, continuously transmitting data wirelessly to the municipal command center or the manager's cellular app, thus alerting them to any abnormal events. Mapping all of the hydrants scattered throughout the city provides maintenance staff and security forces greater efficiency during routine and emergency situations. If penetration of fluids or an act of vandalism is detected, the command center can immediately call in security forces to deal with the problem. The command center receives the estimated water consumption of every hydrant throughout the city in real time. What's more, periodic reports can be automatically produced at any frequency determined by the user. In an emergency, the command center is notified of the location of the nearest hydrant, which it forwards to the traffic signal control system so as to clear the most direct route to the scene. Then informs the firefighters of the hydrant's location. At the same time, the police are updated about the incident so they can block areas bordering the hydrant. A low-cost, easily installed system. The establishing of a system for collecting detailed information that in future can be valuable in other areas, such as measuring temperature and humidity, measuring earthquakes, and locating underground leaks between hydrants. Hydrant, monitoring and securing hydrants.